In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply discount items in QuickBooks Online. This process is straightforward and incredibly helpful for keeping your customers happy while also managing your accounts effectively. So let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into QuickBooks Online, open your favorite web browser, such as Chrome, and navigate to QuickBooksintuit.com. Once you're there, sign in with your account credentials. If this is your first time logging in or if you're having trouble remembering your password, QuickBooks offers recovery options to help you regain access. Now, let's create a discount item. Start by clicking on the gear icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. This icon serves as a gateway to many of QuickBooks tools and settings. From the drop-down menu, head over to the Lists section and select Products and Services. This is where you'll manage anything related to the products or services you offer. Next, look for and click the New button, which is also located at the top right of the page. A window will pop up asking you to choose the type of item you want to create. Select Discount. This choice allows you to tailor the discounts you offer, whether they be fixed amounts or percentages, fitting them perfectly to your business model. With the discount type selected, let's set it up. Begin by entering a name for your discount. Naming it something like customer discount will keep things simple and clear. Then you'll decide if your discount will be a percentage or a fixed amount, whatever suits your pricing strategy best. Optionally, you can add a description for more detail, which might be helpful for your record keeping or administrative notes. You'll also need to assign an income account to track these discounts, such as sales discounts. This step helps in gathering all your financial data accurately in one place. Once you've filled in these details, go ahead and click Save and Close. With our discount item ready, let's apply it to invoices or sales receipts. When you're creating a new invoice or sales receipt, go ahead and add the products or services you're billing for. Then, on a new line, select your newly created discount item. Simply enter the discount amount or percentage and watch as QuickBooks automatically updates the total amount for you. It's a seamless way to ensure that your invoices or receipts are both accurate and professional. Finally, before sending out the invoice or receipt, it's wise to review everything to ensure all details are correct. Once you're satisfied, click Save and Send to email it to your customer, or Save and Close if you plan to send it later. Great job! You now know how to create, set up, and apply discount items in QuickBooks Online, helping you maintain excellent customer relations while also keeping your accounts in top shape.